If you're testing a mobile app or web portal that displays a QR code for payments, logins, or downloads, you have got visual verifications. Your test plan, but no idea how to verify what's inside a QR code. Instead of building custom image parses, you discover TestRigor can read and validate QR codes in plain English. Now, question for you is, how do you test a QR code? Screenshot it, hope it's right, or maybe you just skip it and pray. But worry not, today I will show you how to automate QR code scanning and validations using TestRigor in plain English. No image processing scripts required. QR codes are everywhere. Login portals, payment screen, order confirmations, event tickets. But here's the problems. They are dynamic. You cannot hard code them. You need to read what they contains and validate. That's required in testing. So what needs in testing of these QR codes? Check the QR contains specific URL. Validate embedded tokens or user ID. Use decoded value to complete the flow. If you're testing a mobile app or web portal that displays a QR code for payments, logins, or downloads, you have got visuals, verifications in your test plan, but no idea how to verify what's inside a QR code. Instead of building a custom image parsers, you discover test riggers can read and validate QR codes all in plain English. But how do you test a QR code? Screenshot it, hope it's right, or maybe you just skip it and pray for it. But worry not. Today I will show you how to automate QR code scanning and validations using TestRigor. In plain English, no image processing scripts are required. QR codes are everywhere. Login portals, payment screens, order confirmations, event tickets. But here is the problem. They are dynamic. You can't hard code them. You need to read what they contains and validate it. So what is common testing needs while performing the testing of QR codes? First is check the QR contains a specific URL. Validate embedded tokens or user ID. Use decoded value to complete the flow. That's where test trigger signs. So test trigger allows you to locate a QR code on the page and read its contents like this. Scan QR where we can start writing the scripting. Here, let me start building one test case where we will directly verify the QR code. QR code validation is my test case name. Here, I wanted to add script scan QR code value from will provide the file name. So my QR code is present here. I wanted to verify this. That's the reason I'm just adding the file name mw file fan element in double quotes above a QR code for the and save as code as in double quotes code 2. So this will also store it. After that, we wanted to verify it, whatever we have stored. Check that the stored value code 2 itself contains wikipedia.org. Now that's done. Let me add and run the flow and see what we will get it. Because we have already added Wikipedia link, that's the reason it will not ask anything. While creating the test cases, we have already included it. So we will store the time, the as many test cases you want, you can add it. It started navigating it to the page where we'll see this is the QR code. First, it will store it and then do the verifications. Say this. So this test case is passed when I will go to the test data, you can see it capture data here where we have the link and it collected code 2 where it verifies it. This is a quick enough where we can generate these test cases. After that, if I want, I can include one more test case where first I have to just save this link or save this image with some name, like for mobile I will save it to .png format and click on save. And post that before creating this, we can upload into test data. While uploading it, I will select the file, provide the name, whatever name you want, we can include it. We'll add data to selecting the file from here. This way we can just upload the file and do the verifications. For this, we don't have to write much here. We have to just add stored value. So here I will add scan the QR code value from the stored value. This is data 2 because I have added the name as data 2 and save it as code 3. Post that, we'll add check that the stored value code 3 itself contains wikipedia.org. So by this way, first we can just store it or download it and then verify it. And second one, we can upload the images and do the verifications. So both the way it works after upload, I would say. So you'll see it started executing it and it will generate the entire report according to the code or the script which we have written in plain English language. Now you can see this also verifies and it will pass the execution. So it will compare from the existing image which we have uploaded it. Now, when we are talking about real world QR code test cases, banking could be one of the example where validate QR codes for UPI, pay apps, ticketing systems where we can check in validations, healthcare where we can see lab reboot access. Logistic also contains QRs on package label. Imagine validating your order processing flow by scanning the QR code from packing slip and confirming it leads to the correct tracking pages. Now, question for you is what's the most complex QR based features you have tested manually? If you have utilized any tools for the automations, feel free to add in the comment sections so that others can also get benefited for it. So next times you use a QR code in your app, don't skip it, automate it. It will help you to complete end-to-end testing. Now, key takeaway from this video. With TestRigor, QR code testing is not just another line in your English-based test suits. If you have learned from this video, feel free to hit like and subscribe for more no-code automations tutorial. If you wanted to help others, feel free to share this video within your circles. Your one click might change the life of others. As I mentioned, if you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to add in the comment sections. If you have any topic you want me to cover in test triggers, add in the comments. I will show you how to automate in test triggers in my upcoming videos as well. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the learning. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.